Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on notification for blocked messages on Truecaller. So let's get started. Firstly, open Truecaller app in a device, then tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on settings, next tap on block, then scroll until you find notification for blocked messages, then turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn on notification for blocked messages on Truecaller. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.